Today we'll be studying about lines and angles. But before further going into the chapter and learning about various theorems and doing questions, we'll first learn about the basic concepts and basic definitions of the chapter lines and angles. Now the first definition that we come across when we are studying about lines is of a line segment. So here we see that suppose we have a line segment AB. Part of line with two endpoints is called a line segment. So in this figure we can see that AB is a line segment and here A and B are two fixed definite endpoints. So this is a line segment. Another kind of line that we come across is a ray. As we can see that A is a one end fixed point and B can be extended to any length. So the part of line with one endpoint is called a ray. The basic difference between these two kind of lines is that a line segment has two endpoints and a ray has only one endpoint. Now suppose that we have 3 points and all of the three line lies on a same straight line. So we can say that these points are collinear points. Now again we have 3 points and as we can see that they are distorted. So only 2 of them lie on a same straight line and the third one doesn't. So we can say that these points are non-collinear points. Now these are the basic definitions of lines. Now let us study about the basic definitions and concepts of angles. So the next slide deals about the angles. Now what is an angle and how do we measure an angle and how is an angle formed? So an angle is made up of two rays and these rays are called the arms of an angle. So this is the arm 1, the green one is the arm 2 and then it has a common vertex. So how is an angle formed? An angle is formed by two rays whose fixed end point is coinciding. Now let us study and learn about the kinds of angles. So the first kind of angle is acute angle. If the measure of the angle is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, then we can say that it is a acute angle. Suppose the value of angle is x degree and it is between 90 and 0 degree, then we can say that this is an acute angle. The next kind of angle is right angle as shown in figure. If the value of x is equal to 90 degrees, then we can say that it is a right angle. The next kind of angle is an obtuse angle. If the value of angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, then we can say that it is an obtuse angle. So here the value of x is between 180 degrees and 90 degrees and this is an obtuse angle. The next is a straight angle. If the two rays form an angle equal to 180 degree, then we can say that this is a straight angle. So here x degrees equal to 180 degrees is a straight angle. Then we have reflex angle. If the value of angle lies between 180 and 360 degrees, then we can say that it is a reflex angle. So here the value of x lies between 360 degrees and 180 degree. Then we can say that x is a reflex angle. Now let us summarize what we have learned till now. So we have acute angle if the value of angle is between 0 and 90 degrees. We have right angle if value is 90 degree. Obtuse angle lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Then we have straight angle in which the value of angle is 180 degree and the reflex angle lies between 180 and 360 degrees. Now what are complementary and supplementary angles? So complementary angle is one if the sum of the angles is 90 degrees. So let me take an example. Suppose we have the figure AOC. So here angle BOC is equal to 60 degrees and angle AOB is equal to 30 degrees. When we add both of them, angle BOC plus angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So we can say that yes, these are complementary angles. Here angle BOC and angle BOA are given. So we can say that angle AOB is equal to 70 degrees and angle BOC is equal to 110 degrees. So when we add the two, so angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 70 degrees plus 110, that is equal to 180. So these angles are supplementary angle because the sum is 180 degrees.